Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. My name is Norsaidatulain Binti Asral. I'm from 4 SSCM for section 1, which are the members of group 14. We present and discuss about our group project on application of macro process. The problem to solve in this project is to forecast the future profit and the number of clients involvement to know the long run performance of the insurance company. Based on this diagram, this is the combination of all three diagrams from our group members. Since it is important because the total of individual in the first generation, which is 23 people that will be used to proceed the evaluation of an individual choice of alternative insurance companies. So that's all for me. Thank you. We go to the next presenter.
Next, according to the information from the combination tree diagrams before, we proceed to generate random data that study relating to insurance industry to forecast the future profit and number of clients involvement to know the long run performance of the company. So we generate random number in the range of 0 to 5 about 23 times since the total number of individuals in first generation is 23 and we obtain the result as shown in table 1. And next we determine the frequency of subscribed number of client and proceed to the calculation of probability of offspring by dividing the frequency with total number of clients. And lastly, we calculate the mean and variance for the first generation, which is 2.6524 and 3.0964 respectively. So we can conclude that since the mean is greater than 1, then the branching process is supercritical.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aisyah Binti Ariffin from section 1 for SSCM. Now I'm going to present tree diagram of first and second generation of spring. Figure 7 shows the tree diagram of first generation of spring distribution with their corresponding probabilities. This figure represents there is a maximum chance, which is 26.09% to enroll 5 clients, followed by 21.75% with 2 clients, then 17.39% with 1 client, and 13.04% with 0 and 3 clients, and only 8.7% associated with 4 clients in the first generation. The figure at the right side represents the tree diagram for second generation of offspring distribution with their corresponding probabilities. That's all from me. Now I'm gonna pass for the next presenter.
Here is the value that we already calculated for the probability of offspring distribution for second generation for 1, 2 and 3 individuals by using binomial distribution. From the binomial distribution, n is defined based on the value we choose in each state. In this case, we choose the value in multiples of 5. Meanwhile, P is the probability that we have already calculated on the first generation in each state. Next, these are the continuation of the probability of offspring distribution for second generation for 4 individuals in the left-hand side and 5 individuals in right-hand side. We can see that the probability of large offspring size found is near to 0 for future generation. Then, the calculation of mean and variance is needed to establish the similar findings for second generations at the next slide.
Next, we're moving on to calculation of mean, variance, and probability of extinction. This slide shows the calculation that we use in this study. Table 8 highlighted the summaries of the calculations. From Table 8, we get the probability of extinctions at second generation is 0.248, mean 7.0352, and variance 29.9966. According to the theory of probability of extinction is 0.2480. Next, we estimate the probability of extinctions using probability generating functions. Since mean is greater than 1, the quadratic equation solved as in the slideshow. Therefore, The probability of extinction is 0.166. Since the probability of extinction is not very high, it can be concluded that the insurance company has a lower possibilities to abolish soon. Hence, it will be better for customer to make any additions policy with this company. Thank you.